Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. And today I have several things that I have to get done. Number one is, of course, the affirmation. Number two is, of course, opening day 16 of the Advent calendar. And along with a thank you to all my beautiful wildflowers and something extra attached to that. And another thing, a explanation, or I should say an explanation of what's going on with my mail. So if you're interested in finding out all that in a very short video, my famous last words, please do stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. Well, I have a lot to get done today. But first, before I do anything, I want to make sure I do the affirmations because I don't want to forget that. So using the app, I'm going to pick that and let's just scroll and find one and stops there. And there it is. There is the quote for the day, looks like. And it says, take time to do what makes your soul happy. Oh, that is so nice. Yeah, and you know what? There's so many things that we do in a day, in a week, in a month, in a year. But how many of those can you say makes your soul really happy? And these are the things, right, that we do every day are necessities. But sometimes it doesn't make our soul all that happy because it's just necessities, right? It's not something that we intentionally focus on. And so whatever it is that makes you happy inside and out and really gives you a positive outlook, you need to do more of that. And I know there's limited time in all of our days, but you really need to make time to do that. And one of the things that makes my soul happy is creating these videos for my beautiful wildflowers. And no matter what kind of a mood I'm in that day, when I get on camera and start talking to you, it's like the weight lifts off my shoulders and I just feel so much better. I could be kind of grumpy, you know, maybe not happy about something that happened in a day, but as soon as I start talking to you, it's as though all those troubles disappear. And this is a reason why I love creating and I love talking to you guys and reading your comments. So whatever it may be that makes you that happy, do it. And take the time. If it's 10 minutes, it's 10 minutes. If it's an hour, great, do an hour. Or maybe it's a whole day that you take out in a week that you do that makes your soul happy. But whatever it is, give yourself that gift because nobody else is going to do that for you because only you know what makes your soul happy and soar, right? So yeah, it's a very good thing. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and put a heart on it so that way I can save it. Alrighty, so the list of things I have to do, I have it in front of me so I don't forget. So the affirmation, check. And the next thing is, I want to tell you about the mail situation. I have not gotten mail since last Thursday. And I kept calling the post office saying, I'm not getting mail. And I even went to the post office and the supervisor said, well, yeah, you don't have to worry unless it's a week late. I'm like, a week late? That's a long time. And it's kind of strange that I used to get a lot of mail, even junk mail, right? Circulars. Come on, it's holiday seasons. Why would I not be getting sales paper? And so finally, I actually called the investigative unit or whatever, and I filled out some complaints, and I got a phone call today from the post office this afternoon that said, well, we have your mail here. I'm thinking, okay, and why? And they said because the cluster mailbox is broken and the mailman can't get the mail in there. I guess somebody tried to get into the mailbox or something, and since I live in a townhouse, we have those cluster mailboxes, and I'm thinking, okay, there's no sign on the mailbox. How am I supposed to know that? What do I got, a crystal ball that says, I gotta go to the post office. Cluster mailbox is all busted up. Hello? So yeah, and so now I have to go. I know I have a stack of them because I have the informed delivery, and I know there's mail coming from a Beautiful Wildflowers. I know there's at least 3 cards out there that I know of, and so now I have to go make a trip to the post office and go pick it up in the middle of the day. And so, which is okay because I want to go ahead and do that because I want to open them and I want to read it for you guys. But if anybody sent me a card and I haven't done anything with it, it's because I don't have it yet. So tomorrow I will go and pick it up. And the other thing too is I'm going to tell them you need to put a sign on the mailbox. Nobody's going to know this. So yeah. Anyway, that's the drama for the day. And now next, let's do this. This is my by Terry advent calendar, and yesterday I unboxed day 1 through 15 because as you all know, if you watched that one, that I did get this late. I got it day before yesterday, and what it is that I got it for less than half price. That's what it is, and it was worth it. So anyway, today is day 16. And I want to go ahead and open day 16. And let's not repeat yesterday's shenanigans here. But I'm going to get my finger in there. Okay, here we go. And it is another pencil. Let's see what kind of a pencil this is. Okay, it's giving me trouble again. So you would think I would learn by now, right? But I want to get this pencil out because it's a big pencil and I want to know what it is. Okay, let's see. Tools. Sorry about that, guys. I should be a little more prepared and know that this is going to happen, but, I'm always hopeful that it's not going to happen again. Whoops, there it goes. And this is the, Ombre Black Star. Oh, it's a full size. And this is a Colourfix Cream Eyeshadow. Yesterday, guys, the eyeshadow that I unboxed, that thing just stayed on. And I had to get my makeup remover oil to get it off, and it was so nice. Anyway, here's another one, but this is a full-size one. Yesterday was a little bit smaller, but look at this. Let's see what color this is. It looks kind of black, though. Oh, it is dark. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is a very nice gray. It would make a beautiful, ooh, it's shiny, too. That would make a beautiful look, actually. I wonder if you can manipulate. Oh, yeah, you can manipulate it while it's wet. You see? Huh. This would be actually a very nice, like a New Year's look. You see, kind of like very pigmented. So yeah, okay, I'll go with that. But this is day 16, guys. And so that's that, and I like it. And tomorrow will be day 17 and on and on and on. I know you guys want me to open it all. I wanted to open it all, but yeah, gotta be patient, Anyway, so the next thing is the last thing, right? Yep. And I just want to go ahead and flash up a couple of things that I received. It's kind of like a 2021 report card of how well I did on the channel. And I just want to thank you guys very much because without you, I would not have been able to do this. And I'm going to go ahead and take a look at it while I'm talking to you. So that way I can actually sort of talk to you about it, but I don't have my glasses on. I think I put that under my B-roll. I did. And one of the things that you're going to see flashing up, and maybe I'll put it up now, it says, thank you for 13.5 thousand likes, 11,200 comments, and your support this year. And I just want to thank you guys so very much for that, because there's no way I could have done this without you. And the channel's just a little bit over a year old. September made a year, and already I'm nearing 1,000. And the lifetime highlights, here's my lifetime highlights since I started. It's 453 days since my first upload, 15,700 lifetime likes, and 13,300 lifetime comments. My God, you guys, I mean, that's great. And I just want to thank you so much because, again, I can't do this on my own, by myself. So somebody's going to be watching it, and you guys are the ones who's watching it. And the last thing here that I want to show you is the 2021 Haute Modesty, your 2021 snapshot. So this is the total for 2021. It's 401,500 watch time minutes and 52,100 total views. My goodness. And it says, cheers to having such loving fans, it's time to celebrate all of your hard work and the community you've built. And when I read that, I see a we statement. I don't see an I statement. And I didn't build it. We built it. And my beautiful wildflowers have supported me through what? 400,000, over 401,000 watch minutes. That's huge. That is really huge. And I just want to thank you all so very much from the very bottom of my left ventricles. As you guys know, in medical terms, that is the most sensitive and the required area of a heart. Without it, a human body cannot live. Okay? And so I want to thank you from that place. And to show you my appreciation, I want to have a special giveaway. And this will be the 2021 celebration giveaway. I believe in celebrating each small milestones, and I do that through giving you giveaways throughout the time, couple a month at least, and I try to do at least once a week if I can, and if it's affordable for shipping. And so, but this is something huge to celebrate about. And so I want to show you a couple of things that I've picked out so far, and it will come in this priority box, okay? And so a couple of things I picked out is, let's see, the first one, I have it all wrapped up already, I don't want it to break, is 2 eyeshadow palettes. And it's going to be more than what I'm showing you, as always is. So it's Rumor Has It by Colourpop. And these are very nice eyeshadows. And I have a couple of them. And here's the first color here. First set here, it's a lot of blues, but it's shimmers and mattes. And something that, you can use in the spring, or you can actually use for New Year's. Actually, these colors are great for New Year's. And then the next one is High Society, also by Colourpop. And these colors lean more towards the emeralds and greens. And here they are. Okay, and get you guys ready for spring. And this would be great for St. Patrick's Day. That's right around the corner. You do know that, right? It's March. And so these are the 2 eyeshadow palettes I have put away so far. And as I said, I'm just wrapping it all up. There'll be more, but I'm just showing you a tip of the iceberg to get you guys excited and to show you how much I appreciate you. And the other piece here is by Figs and Rouge. And this is the Clarity Wonder Love, and it's a serum. And it is Clean Beauty. There it is. Everything here should be full size. I might throw in a couple of samples here and there. And then the other one here is Malin and Gauche Resurfacing Face Serum. Okay, again, full size. And I know you guys like skincare and makeup. I'm going to throw both in there, okay? And here is, this is by a company that I really love, okay? And this is by Nabla. And you guys know I love their products. And this is a Viper, and this is a lip product. Okay. And next is, you ready? And this is something I also have. I have 2, and it's by Kat Von D or KVD Beauty. And it is an double blush. It's like a blush and highlighter, but you can use both as a blush. And of course, her series is called Shade and Light. Okay, and there it is. And along with that, I'm going to throw in a Smoke Show Kajal by the Too Faced. It's full size Kajal pencil. Okay. And next, this one is a deluxe sample, and this is Damn Girl, and it is a mascara. It's I think it's Too Faced famous mascara, isn't it? Yeah, it's for shamelessly thick and curled lashes by Too Faced. Okay, and it is a quite good size. And next, I have the Jeffree Star Lip Scrub in Root Beer, full size. And let's see. Oh, and this one here's by Revlon, actually. And I tried this. I have one, and it actually is good. This is Revlon Photo Ready. It's corrector. And I used to put this kind of like on spots like here and here. And that way kind of gets, it looks like I have lines. And so I can correct that using something like this. It's a color corrector. You can use it for anything. And next is by Naturopathica, again Clean Beauty, and this is Calendula Essential Hydrating Cream. And it's right there in a glass jar. And let me see, there's a couple of other things in here. And this is, Rodin, and Luxury Lipstick by Rodin. Okay, and there it is right there. And I do have a couple of samples in here for you guys, for you to try. Giorgio Armani lipstick, and also by Terry hyaluronic concealer. You remember that concealer that I swear by? Well, here's the sample, and they come in 3 different shades. So regardless, whoever wins this, I'm sure one of these shades will work for you, just so you can give it a try. It's this one here. I just want to throw that in there, as well as this sugar lip pencil. Okay, lip pencil / lipstick. And so that's the sneak peek for this thank you giveaway. And I just want to thank you guys so much for bringing me to where I am and coming on to be there with me. You know, it's just like, it feels really nice to feel loved. Okay, and especially when you reach out to me on the side and you're asking me questions and really, you know, becoming friends with me. And I really do appreciate that, because believe it or not, there's a lot of people probably think that, wow, she must have a lot of friends. I really don't. You guys are my friends. And you know, I've been remote for a long time. I hardly ever have any human contact outside of my husband because of, you know, how the environment's been. But yeah, without you guys, I would not have gotten to where I am today. And you keep me positive, because you force me to be positive, because this is the person I want you to see. And I just want to say thank you. Okay, so that's that. I'm getting kind of like emotional here, so I'm going to stop right there, okay? Alrighty, so my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you like what I'm thinking to send you. And of course, this is a sneak peek. And if, let's see, pick a word, all right? Let's use the word 2021, okay? 2021, because this is the year that we're celebrating. And thank you guys for being with me. And I know some of you have been with me ever since the very beginning, and I appreciate that too. And I hope you're with me 10 years from now, and we're doing great things together. And by then, I'm hoping that I will see few of you at least in real person, right? When traveling's allowed again. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. If I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, there's the button. Actually, it's below, but it looks just like the one up there. And please ring the bell and select all, so you know every time I upload a brand new video. And just remember, if you want to enter, you have to be publicly subscribed to me, and you have to like this video and use the word 2021 in a sentence. And please do not say enter me, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it does not matter. But I just want you to remember, in this field of roses out there, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. All right, guys, thank you guys so much. And I'm really looking forward to giving this stuff away. And I wish you guys luck. And I just want to thank you so much. And when I saw those numbers, I mean, even if I didn't see those numbers, I still felt good. And that we're closing out the year on a positive note, okay? And so thank you so much. Keep watching. I love you all, okay? And so I'll see you soon.